G'day, if you're new here, my name's Mitch and this is my partner Maddie, and we're currently travelling around Australia in our van. We've been surfing, diving and exploring our beautiful country for 10 months now, and at the moment we're in the southwest. Today is Mads' birthday and I've got a few surprises for her. We'll be starting off at a winery, and after that we're going sailing. We used to work on a snorkel boat back home, and recently we've been pretty keen to get back out on the water. Buying our own boat has been a dream of ours for a while, so when we jumped on this boat, we just couldn't wipe the smiles off our faces. We also go for another cracker dive and make a delicious seafood pasta with what we caught, so make sure you stick around to see what we put in it. Becky, egg and halloumi burger.
Oh, yum.
Are you excited for the day?
I'm so excited. I have no idea what we're doing. Mitch has just told me that we need to leave at 11:15.
11:45.
And I need to wear something nice like a dress. And that's all I know.
Yeah. Wait,
I'm nervous. So we're ready. We're in the car. And I've got no idea where we're going now. We're going on an adventure. I've had the best day so far. Went for an awesome walk and a swim and beautiful brekkie. It's been great.
We should go there one day, eh?
Yeah, we should. We're turning.
This is looking very similar to when we were in Rio.
Yeah.
It's feeling very similar, but we've switched roles.
You know what would be funny if we blindfolded each other?
Yeah, actually, you want to blindfold yourself? Real quick?
Really?
Yeah.
Should I?
Yeah, you have to be real quick though.
Yeah.
Chuck it on.
Okay. Oh, yuck. I don't like this. Have we got any funny looks?
Nah.
Real? Oh, we're here?
Yep, you can take it off.
Okay. Oh!
You know where we are?
Swings and roundabouts, is it?
Yeah.
Oh!
I tricked ya.
We drove past it!
I know.
Oh.
I didn't miss it.
Did you do it on purpose?
Yeah, because I thought it'd be funny. We're a little bit early, so I thought it'd be funny.
We're at a winery that I've been wanting to come to for ages. Heard so much about it. Oh my god, I'm so keen.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh, that's pretty puffy.
So beautiful.
Have you had a good day so far?
An amazing day. Just had an amazing meal and a drink at the winery.
Yeah, and you wait for what's next.
What do you mean, what's next? What? Oh my gosh.
You wait and see. So we're done at the winery and now we're on our way to somewhere else. Another surprise for Mads. She was pretty surprised that there was another surprise. I'm quite excited for this one.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, I guess so.
And-
Alright, we're coming down to the water.
Yeah. Yeah, parking here.
Parking here.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Do you want to have a guess?
We're having a picnic
No.
at the beach.
Way better than that.
Are we going on a boat? Are we?
Yeah? We're going sailing.
No.
Yeah.
Are we?
Yeah. We're going sailing. Nah.
Oh my god. Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You excited?
Yeah. Oh my god. Thank you.
So we've both been pretty keen to jump on a sailboat, like a bigger yacht, for a while and just see if we like sailing. We've done it a little bit before on a little Hobie Cat, which is only like tiny. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity to book a sail charter for the day, or for it's like a 2-hour charter.
You pulled the surprise off so well. I actually had no idea. I wouldn't have expected this in a million years.
It was a pretty incredible feeling stepping onto this boat. Buying our own boat has been something we've been talking about for a while, so it was pretty awesome to finally experience what we've only watched in videos. Could you see yourself doing this?
Yes. Look at that view.
Oh.
Never been on a yacht like this before, hey?
Nah. This is crazy. The boat we were on is a 42-foot Beneteau Oceanus, owned by Luke at Sailing Charters WA. If you're ever in Dunsborough between November and March, be sure to go on a sail with him. I highly recommend it. How good's this?
This is the best birthday ever.
Five muses and don't compare. A true life will fill your cup.
As I said at the start of the video, we both used to work on a boat back in Victoria. Ever since finishing that job, we've been pretty keen to get back onto the water. Sailing has been a bit of a dream for us for a while, so the feeling that came with this experience was quite amazing. Cruising along the water, powered only by the wind, is incredible. No sound of the engine, only the water clapping against the hull.
Pour the wine and live it
There's water.
Wow, the water.
We hope you're enjoying this video, folks. Don't forget to subscribe and ding the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Have you enjoyed the trip?
Oh, this has been amazing.
Yeah.
The best birthday surprise ever. This is a dream. I can't get over how beautiful this day is to me.
Oh yeah, right. I was right into that. Been wild. Happy place.
He's the only guy who's done it.
Getting too fast now. Training myself to the boat. I'm not getting Going on this sail really felt like a dream. I couldn't wipe the smile off my face for the entire trip. Mitch definitely outdid himself. Once we're ready to part ways with our little van, the idea of living in a floating tiny home is definitely something I could get used to. After the sail, we headed down to the beach for a barbecue and some drinks with our mates. It was a really beautiful and wholesome end to a magical day.
Once again, we found ourselves exploring under the water. This was a fun little dive, and the reef was absolutely loaded with different species of fish. We also searched for some abalone hiding between the rocks.
So that's the first abalone that we've seen that's of size. So hopefully we see more big ones because I really want some abalone pasta. There's so many cool fish here. This place is magical. This is easily one of my favourite dive spots we've been to.
This was pretty cool. As I was following this school of zebrafish, they all stopped and looked at me at once. It was quite strange to see so many little fish faces all staring at me at the same time.
Spot the octopus tucked away in this hole. It's camouflaged super well into the surrounding rocky reef, and you can see by the empty shells around it that abalone has been on the menu lately.
Huge! There's a snail in it. Yeah. Heavy. Oh my. Oh
So the GoPro went flat when I was talking when we got out the water, but we had a successful abalone dive and it was just beautiful anyway. But we got quite a few. We had 2 the other night and they were delicious. Kind of tastes like squid. So we've got a pasta recipe. So we're gonna cook them up in a nice creamy pasta with some tomatoes and some parsley, white wine. Yeah. So can't wait. Should be good. Just got to shuck them first, and yeah, can't wait. It should be delicious. Excited?
I'm so excited for this pasta. I think it's gonna be so yum. We're gonna do a white wine, butter, garlic sort of one, and our friends who also got abalone, they're gonna do the creamy one, and then we're gonna have a pasta off.
Yeah. Look at this one. This one's getting right out there. You can see its eyes on the front and its little snail horns. They are good suckers. So in the pasta, got garlic, cherry tomatoes, parsley, abalone. There's not heaps there because we didn't get heaps, but yeah, should be enough. And we've got butter and white wine. And I think that's it.
Yeah, simple.
Something we found
Delicious.
online. Yeah, something we found on the internet.
Yeah. Shout out to the interweb.
Yum, looks good.
Yum.
Yum.